Alphabet releasing Gemini, its latest and most powerful AI models.
Google just introduced its new generative AI model dubbed Gemini.
Perceived to be more capable, flexible, and better optimized for smartphones.
In the fast-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, Google's recent unveiling of Gemini, its cutting-edge AI model, stands as a monumental move, promising a new era in the tech domain. The launch of Gemini echoes a critical juncture for Google, especially following the emergence of ChatGPT by OpenAI, which had sent ripples across the search engine market. For years, Google's dominance in the search market remained unchallenged, boasting a staggering 91% market share and a user base surpassing 4.2 billion. However, the advent of OpenAI's ChatGPT disrupted this status quo. While ChatGPT's user base of 180 million initially appeared modest, its exponential growth trajectory became a cause for concern. The lightning-fast acquisition of 100 million weekly active users within 60 days raised alarm bells for Google. Microsoft's backing of OpenAI added fuel to this disruptive force. With Microsoft's historic reputation for strategic maneuvers in business, the threat to Google's market stronghold intensified. Leaving us a like proves you like what we do here. Then be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to be notified of any recent video. Thank you. Google's struggle came to the fore when its earlier AI endeavor, Bard, faced a disastrous failure, triggering a 10% stock plunge and a staggering loss of $1 billion in market value within a week. In response, Google swiftly introduced Gemini, hailed as the potential antidote to counter ChatGPT's burgeoning rise. The launch of Gemini, comprising Nano, Pro, and Ultra versions, sparked a market frenzy. The strategic move was lauded in the stock market, propelling Alphabet's stock price by 5% and adding a staggering $80 billion to its market capitalization in a single day. The narrative of this AI war between Google and Microsoft pivots on the distinct features and capabilities of Gemini. What sets Gemini apart lies in its natively multimodal architecture. Unlike ChatGPT's incremental feature additions, Gemini is designed from inception to seamlessly process text, image, and sound, giving it an edge in versatility and adaptability. Gemini's 3 versions stand as a testament to its potential breadth of applications. From the lightweight Nano version, functional even without internet access on Android phones, to the Ultra designed for businesses and data centers, Gemini portrays a spectrum of possibilities. The crux of Gemini's strength emanates from Google's colossal computing power and access to extensive datasets. Google's troves of data from YouTube, Google Books, and other sources serve as a training ground for Gemini, giving it a profound advantage over competitors. In the benchmarks, Gemini showcased its prowess, outperforming ChatGPT in 30 out of 32 tests. Notably, in the multitask language understanding benchmark, Gemini Ultra even surpassed human experts, underscoring its profound understanding and problem-solving capabilities. However, the battle remains neck and neck, with Microsoft's ChatGPT gearing up for its next iteration, GPT-5. The competition extends beyond technological supremacy, embodying crucial lessons for businesses. It underscores the imperative of unceasing innovation, continuous upskilling, and astute timing to navigate the dynamic tech landscape. The genesis of this AI war traces back to strategic moves by both Google and Microsoft in their quest for AI supremacy. Google's acquisition of DeepMind in 2014 marked its initial foray into the AI realm, bolstering its research capabilities and setting the stage for AI dominance. Google, with a trove of AI-focused research papers, appeared poised to maintain its position at the vanguard of AI innovation. Microsoft, however, wasn't content to remain on the sidelines. In 2019, it made a resounding declaration by investing a staggering $1 billion in OpenAI. This monumental collaboration signaled Microsoft's intent to harness OpenAI's expertise while leveraging its own cloud infrastructure, setting the stage for a colossal showdown with Google. The pivotal moment arrived in November 2022 when OpenAI unveiled ChatGPT, a revolutionary AI chatbot that captured the imagination of users worldwide. Google's hesitation to release its own chatbot, primarily due to safety concerns, now appears as a strategic misstep in hindsight. Microsoft's game-changing maneuver of integrating Bing with ChatGPT initiated a paradigm shift. This fusion of generative AI with a search engine created a symbiotic relationship, fostering a virtuous cycle wherein the AI's capabilities expanded in tandem with its user base. The exponential growth trajectory of ChatGPT posed an existential threat to Google's dominance in the search market. The tumultuous launch of Google's Bard exemplified the search giant's frantic attempts to counter ChatGPT's rise. However, Bard's catastrophic failure reflected Google's struggle to match the prowess of its competitor, triggering a significant stock decline and raising doubts about Google's competency in the AI domain. Amidst this turbulent landscape, Google's announcement of Gemini, hailed as the potential ChatGPT killer, acted as a catalyst, reigniting investor confidence and propelling Alphabet's market value to unprecedented heights. Gemini's supremacy lies not only in its technological prowess, but also in its strategic versatility. The three-tiered model, comprising Nano, Pro, and Ultra versions, offers a gamut of applications, from seamless functionality on smartphones to robust solutions tailored for businesses and data centers. The distinction between Gemini's natively multimodal architecture and ChatGPT's incremental feature augmentation encapsulates the crux of this rivalry. Gemini's holistic design, capable of processing text, image, and sound from inception, sets it apart, giving it an edge in performance and adaptability. Moreover, Gemini's access to Google's vast repository of data, encompassing diverse languages, scientific papers, and multimedia content, furnishes it with unparalleled depth and diversity in training, a formidable advantage over its competitors. As Gemini emerges triumphant in benchmark tests, the impending launch of GPT-5 by OpenAI looms large on the horizon, promising a neck-and-neck race between the tech behemoths. The AI battleground between Google's Gemini and Microsoft-backed OpenAI's ChatGPT signifies more than just a clash of technological titans. It's a testament to the ever-evolving landscape of innovation, where even the most dominant incumbents can face disruption from unexpected quarters. Google's initial dominance in the search market, wielding a staggering 91.85% share, seemed impregnable until the meteoric rise of ChatGPT, which disrupted the equilibrium. The exponential growth trajectory of ChatGPT, outpacing the adoption rates of social media giants like Instagram and TikTok, sent ripples through Google's stronghold, prompting a scramble to fortify its position. However, Google's attempts, marked by Bard's catastrophic failure and subsequent resurrection through Gemini, epitomized the risks and challenges inherent in technological innovation. While Gemini's multitudinous capabilities showcase Google's resilience and agility, it's the culmination of a learning curve fraught with setbacks, emphasizing the arduous path to AI supremacy. On the opposing front, Microsoft's strategic alignment with OpenAI underscored a diversification strategy, leveraging AI innovation while mitigating dependence on a single revenue stream. The fusion of Bing with ChatGPT delineates a transformative approach, marrying generative AI with search engine functionality, heralding a paradigm shift in user interaction and information retrieval. As the competition intensifies and benchmarks favor Gemini's multifaceted abilities, the impending release of GPT-5 by OpenAI heralds a new chapter in this enthralling saga. This impending iteration signifies the perpetual evolution of AI technologies, promising further disruptions and innovations in the AI landscape. The crucial lessons from this epochal clash extend beyond corporate boardrooms. They underscore the imperatives of constant innovation, adaptability, and astute timing in navigating the turbulent seas of technological evolution. The unforgiving nature of disruption compels both industry incumbents and burgeoning startups to remain vigilant, continuously innovating to stay ahead of the curve. In this AI-driven era, where technological leaps redraw the boundaries of possibility, the tale of Google versus Microsoft's AI war stands as a testament to the inexorable march of innovation and the relentless pursuit of technological supremacy. And now let's hear from you in the comments section. If you enjoyed today's content, then leave us a like, subscribe, and ensure the bell notification is on to be notified of our recent content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.